With key information and features at your fingertips, owning and operating a true ice machine is simple yet effective. Let's take a closer look at the features of our unique control. The settings menu allows access to a password and lock feature, load shifting and scheduling, ice size adjustment, water hardness and scale adjustment, time of flight ice level sensor, True Zone UV light, water filter adjustment, and preventative maintenance times. The information menu features a real-time performance graph, daily ice level monitoring, weekly ice level monitoring, runtime statistics, ice cycle history, and model and warranty information. With simple touch operations, performing basic functions like cleaning your ice machine is simple. In addition, true ice machines are extremely helpful for service providers. If an issue ever arises, an audible and visual alarm will appear. This is the first indication of a potential issue on your machine. Service technicians can access the advanced diagnostic screen to help diagnose problems. Built-in pressure transducers give accurate pressure readouts, and the control screen indicates which components should be operational during the cycle. For the highest quality in ice machine manufacturing with advanced, easy-to-use controls, choose True.